Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create an account and sign up for ChatGPT on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to a web browser that we can use to access the software which is web-based. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, within your web browser, now type in ChatGPT. Click on this. Just to give you guys a bit of a background in terms of what this is and what it can achieve. So we all know that artificial intelligence is on the rise, and ChatGPT is actually a bot that was developed by Open Artificial Intelligence. The software itself was actually launched almost 1 year ago on the 30th of November 2022. So we have now hit the 1 year anniversary last month. So let's now click on chat.openai.com. We can now either log in or sign up. As we are still new to this system, we will need to sign up and create the account. Click on sign up. Let's now use our email address, which is rayhan@ComputerScienceVideos.com. Click on continue. This will now ask us to create a password, which I will do now. That's fine. Your password must contain at least 12 characters. Let's continue. Let's just save the password. Verify your email. We sent an email to rayhan@ComputerScienceVideos.com. Click on the link inside to get started. That's fine. So now let's open up the link within our email. And there is the email. Verify your email. Click on this. Verify that you are a human. That's fine. We will then have to tell the application about ourselves. Full name and birthday. That's fine. Let me do that now. Click on agree. Verify that you're a human. Begin the puzzle. So use the arrows to rotate the object to face in the direction of the hand. That's fine. Submit. One done. Use the arrows to rotate the object to face the direction of the hand. There we go. Submit. Two done. And again. Submit. Verification complete. We have now entered ChatGPT. So we have a few tips on screen. We can ask away. Don't share sensitive information. Check your facts. That's okay. And now we are ready to start the interaction with the artificial intelligence robot on screen. If I were to ask a question, we would receive a response through the intelligence of the system. So that's all for another video. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.